अगर तुम जाने के लिए जबरदस्ती कर रहे हो ना तो तुम अपना जो ये है ना उसको कम कर दिया। पहले तो ठीक रहता, जैसे जैसे ज्यादा सब उसको कम कर।
यहाँ पे भारी लगता है, यहाँ पे ठीक है। फ्लाई के बाद
हम लोग स्कूप पे ले जाते हैं, मतलब प्रेस जाते हैं नहीं ये
ओके।
स्कूप उनको नहीं जाता है ना, पर हम हाँ पर हमको प्रेस जाता है, so we go for press एक मार।
Sorry, I didn't see it. Sorry, I didn't see it.
I was busy working out, okay? Didn't see your live request. I'm not jogging. Sleep cycle affects body weight. I don't know. My sleep cycle has always been regular. Sometimes my weight has been good and sometimes my weight has been bad. My sleep cycle has always been bad. I don't want to be in front of a camera. What age you got your navel piercing? How old was I in the 10th, 9th? No. I got my navel piercing at 16, 2014. 16, I was 16 years old.
Got in 2015.
No, Baba, I got in 2016. I was still in school. I remember because I showed my friends in school my navel piercing. I took them to the bathroom and I was like, guys, see what I got. And I scared everybody in school.
I know you ever since you had.
Yeah, so I got it pierced in 2014. I didn't meet you and then show you my piercing. And yeah, I had already got it. I said I was 16. What do I do for a living? What do I do for a living?
Loves me.
Agatsu Foundation, guys. Check it out. That's what I do for a living. Hola! Hi from Spain.
Uber.
Bad jokes, bad jokes. Bhavika's on my live. Say hi to Bhavika.
Bhavika, you're not working? What are you doing here?
Here, answer the questions for me. On my behalf.
ओए ये नहीं यार.
Why? Just pick a question and answer it if you think I would not answer it.
Love or money? What if you have to choose one?
हाँ चलो
Love.
नेक्स्ट आप सब
Hopefully soon we can try Kalaripayattu. You should definitely try Kalaripayattu, Babs. This some person is saying.
Yes. One.
Bodhi Kalaripayattu Center
Yeah,
says
two.
you should.
Perfect.
I agree. She should try Kalaripayattu. I really like Kalaripayattu.
4. 5. Stronger.
Add me.
Super.
Any tips?
7. 8. Go.
Someone says how to decrease your dark circles.
9. Last. That. Sure. Not bad.
How did you gain so much weight?
I already answered that. I stopped taking care of myself. That's how I gained so much weight.
Hey, खुद का type करना.
Yes, I know more too. You know, I went for football and my friend said, why are you wearing track pants?
My mom gives hugs.
Hi. My friend said, why are you wearing track pants? Track pants are not good for playing football. And I said, yeah, but that's because none of my other workout clothes fit me right now. So I have to wear track pants.
Hopefully you can try Kalaripayattu.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to check out that page. There apparently, it looks like it's a Kalari Institute.
Keep the good work up. Nupur से शादी something say
Where is that?
मैं देखा.
Here. Nupur se shaadi kab, ma'am? We'll tell him. When he asks me, na? Then I'll tell you.
Secret है. Secret आहे. Sorry, bad one. Hi नूपुर, hi. मेरे को भी भाव मिलता है तेरे साथ. Hi. ब्रदर है आपके.
Hi, Palak.
Hi Popeye. Bhavika says hi.
¿Cómo
Hi.
estás? Más o menos.
No fala.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Oui. I'm excited about speaking Spanish. So, bien.
Muito bem.
Eh?
That's Portuguese.
Yes, Bhavika, I run a company,
I also run.
not a company.
Alone.
It's very scary. Zainab, what's scary?
Zainab, what is
You were in
scary?
the 10th grade. Oh yeah, when I was in the 10th grade and I would take my female friends to the bathroom and suddenly open up my buttons near my belly button and go like, see what I got a belly button.
Your father name. My father's name is Rajendra Shikhre.
Hi Zainab. Hey Zainab, you want to go live with me? Zainab's not there.
Arey, there was invite. Say.
What are your goals in life? I don't know, man. Hello from Afghanistan. Hello to Afghanistan. Zainab. Zainab, come live with me.
Love you, Jodi, someone said. Thank you.
Zainab, why are you not coming live with me?
Hey, Buddha, someone call me Buddha. I really like when people call me Buddha.
Why do you like it when people call you?
क्या बुड्ढे के साथ है? Bro, कभी दौड़ने चल मेरे साथ. And I will come back. Ready? Where is Zainab? Zainab. एकदम ऊपर नहीं, थोड़ा सा क्रॉस. बस. Wait. हाँ. Yes. हाँ, यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है. हाँ, यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है. तुझे अब ये ठिकाना है. नहीं. Nupur sir, give us some fitness tips. Yeah, fitness tips ऐसे you can't give randomly, but work out 5 days a week at least. Give yourself 1 hour every day or 5 days a week and work out and just watch what you eat. आयरा को देखो. देखा. भाई नींद नहीं लेते क्या? Are you asking me? No, I'm a little tired because I've had a very long day. I just played cricket for 2 hours and I had gone cycling in the morning and then I had trainings in the afternoon. So I'm a little tired. Ira, ये कौन है यार? Someone is really not happy with you and me. Why do you do this?
Zainab coming or no?
जैनब नहीं है. नुपुर दादा थोड़ा मराठी हो दे. ओके. काय बोलू मराठी मध्ये तू सांग.
Ira is the pronunciation. If you mispronounce my name, then please donate 5,000 rupees to Agatsu Foundation. The website is www.agatsufoundation.org and the link to donate is there. It is the swear jar rule. Say my name incorrectly. you have to donate money to a good school. How can one stay driven and motivated all the time? It's not possible.
No, it's not possible.
You won't stay motivated
हाँ,
and driven all the time.
don't ever
Don't even
get
try.
into
Or get
that trap.
suckered into that.
You have
Yeah.
to get up every day and just try every day. Sometimes, some days you get it, some days you don't. Just chill, relax. बुड्ढे तेरी एज कितनी है? पहले पैर पढ़. Hello, Ira. Nupur, how old are you?
Okay, let's guess, guys. Whoever guesses correct, we will bring them on live with us for 30 seconds. What is
Oh, that's a great one.
What is Popoy's age? Anybody who actually knows Popoy is not allowed to answer this question.
Yeah, please.
For example, his mother. आप नहीं बता सकती वो कितने साल का है.
I'm sure my mom doesn't know how old I am. She'll always get confused. 1 or 2 years here and there.
Someone says 33. Someone says 28. Keep guessing, guys. Keep guessing. How old is Popoy? 38. If you guess correctly, then we will bring you live to chat with us for 30 seconds. 28. 34. 35. How close do we need to be? You can't just give all the 30s, huh?
You need to get that person.
I know. Okay. You were correct. How do I? Acha, I have a set.
Someone guessed it. We've already called that person, but clearly that person is not. 56! Bro, 3 साल कम दब बोल दिया ना तूने. Sorry. So, Acha, I don't think that person wants to get into a live this thing. I'm not cool enough. 6, 7, 8, 2, 9 plus 2, 10. 1, 2. Okay, I'm calling another person. Yeah. Yes.
Sorry.
Hi.
Hey, hi, how are you?
Very well. So you guessed it right.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for the compliment.
No, actually, आप लगते नहीं हो कि 35 के हो, but 30 and below 30 because of the army service and the daily routine of exercises, you look like 30, below the 30.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
No need to
क्या
say
करते हो?
thanks. I'm in defense.
Oh, you are in the defense.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Thank you very much.
Honor to chat with you, sir.
No, please don't call me sir. I'm just like your brother, and it's really nice to talk to you also.
What did I miss?
He is in the defense.
Hi,
You know,
hello,
I
Ira.
wanted to join the. I think the people from the Navy came to speak to us in school, and I wanted to join. But
Yeah,
no
yes.
problem
It's
to
an honor. It's an honor, Ira, that if you will come anytime in any naval organization, it's not that you join. That's why you can do the service of the nation. Everybody is playing its role and serving the nation in its field.
Absolutely.
In its field.
Absolutely.
Yes, and actually, your voice, your video is not coming, Nipur.
My video is not coming right now?
Yeah, it's not looking actually. I'm just not watching you. It's
Oh, wait,
surfing,
let
I
me
think.
try.
Yeah.
Now?
No, it's not.
Oh, I don't know what's wrong, but I can see both the windows. I can see you. I can see my
Okay,
window.
no problem. And say my regards to Ira.
She's right here.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Ira. How are you?
Hi, you see me now?
You looking beautiful, and both of you are really a good couple.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
And please give my regards to your parents also.
Will
Yes.
do.
Thank you, and take care of yourself. Be safe.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir. What a sweet man. That was good. I love you, Ira. Yes, I told her.
Yeah, I'm Moti now. What to do? I'm working on it.
और क्या? Any other?
No, my workout is almost done. I'm doing push. क्या करना है? Press. Scoop press.
Have you introduced Mayur sir?
No.
ये हमारे सर हैं, मयूर सर. वो आयरा का ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं. और क्या? और क्या दिखाना है? ये हमारी कार है. Today I am Ira's assistant. So I am just last week 6, 2, 7, 8, 2, 9 plus 2, slow that.
यहाँ पे लगता है।
Abhi, I'm just looking at the screen. What am I supposed to do?
Side.
Do your best. Not the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 can go down. 9 can go down. Last one. That. Good. Why is Zainab not joining?
Because Zainab is gone. She came, she said hi, and she
Add
left.
Daniel.
Daniel's also not there. They came and then they left. They got bored of us. What did you study? What did I study? I studied liberal arts. अब क्या? क्या? हाँ, okay. It's
Done.
like, yeah. Okay, guys, we're done. Bye.
I'm
How
trying to
do I
get-
end this? There.
Yeah.